Good morning, traders, and welcome to Daily Call today, Thursday, the 5th of April. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's session. We start off locally, Australia, where we saw retail sales come in at 0.6%, higher than the forecast of 0.3%. And essentially, this data was offset a little by lower building approvals, which were also released on a minor data release. A China slowdown will hurt the Australian economy at the moment, and particularly with this trade war that's happening between the US and China. Mr. Trump yesterday did come out publicly and say that they are not in a trade war. Officially, it did help the markets as the stock markets recovered for the day. Also, the currency markets recovered as well. So if these tariffs don't come into fruition and they don't come into play, then the current bottom levels that we are at right now in the Aussie dollar could become a bottom as we move forward. But that needs to be seen as to what will happen with the implementation of any tariffs which will affect China. From the US itself, we saw the private sector job number come in at 241,000. It was higher than the forecasted, but the payrolls numbers were much better than the expected, so it didn't fall as much as they were expecting. Also, we saw the PMI number come in at 58.8 compared to the forecast, pretty much on forecast, and crude oil at minus 4.6 million barrels. From the UK, we saw the construction number come in at 47 under the forecast, as the GBP USD currently trading in a very tight range, and it's going to need a little bit of strong data for it to break the previous highs and move forward from where we currently are situated on the cable. Alright, time to have a look at our chart of the day. We've got the one that I've seen this morning is the Euro Swiss on a daily timescale. We are approaching a double top situation. We are not quite there yet. Today's candle, which has just started, in an ideal situation, we would like to see this candle move a little bit higher into this yellow section here and possibly form our price action reversal pattern where I've indicated here. And then once we get that, we would be ready to pull the trigger for a short on that setup. So there you have it. Add this one to your watch list, the Euro Swiss. It's not ready just yet, but we are very, very close on a daily time scale. Alright, what's happening in the session which is about to kick off? We have at 11:30 this morning locally, the trade balance numbers will be released. At 6:30 tonight from the UK, we have services PMI. And then at 10:30 from Canada, we have the trade balance due out as well. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.